artists! Are you ready to draw a beautiful house today? Grab your paper and colors. Let's start drawing together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the roof and walls of the house. It looks like 3 rectangles of different sizes. Great job! Now draw 2 doors on the house. 1 door here and another door there. Perfect! Let's draw 2 windows. Nice square windows for our house. Draw some bushes on both sides of the house. So green and lovely. Now draw a tree behind the house. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let's add some clouds in the sky. And finally, draw a big, bright sun. Awesome! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Wow, that looks amazing! Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.